Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Imran from Car Sound Security. Today we've done a vehicle code protection on a Transit Custom 2017. So let's see how it works. Okay, if a thief happens to copy your frequency to unlock the vehicle, what they normally do is they will clone the key and access the diagnostic port to steal the vehicle. So I'll show you what happens. Okay, so I've got the key in, drop the clutch, try to start the car, the van, just won't start. So in order to start this vehicle, what we need to do is put the ignition on. I need to enter a code on the original manufacturing buttons. I can't show you for obvious reasons. Indicators will flash twice to say the code has been accepted as we get there. Drop the clutch, turn the key on, and the vehicle is now ready to drive. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.